Let's learn how to use the internet through the Connection Manager on the Iridium Go exec app. In order to maximize the available satellite bandwidth for the best compatible apps, we're providing an integrated Connection Manager function that will help users reduce their risk of runaway data usage and bill shock. This function consists of 3 features. Number 1, automatic disconnect. Number 2, web/app profile. And number 3, data usage counter. Let's look at each of the features. Automatic disconnect allows you to set your desired use duration based on how long you plan to utilize data, after which the data session will automatically disconnect for you. For example, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. Additional time can be added as needed, or you can disconnect the data call. Now, you don't have to worry if you forget to disconnect, as the Connection Manager does it for you. Web/app profile allows you to select the desired application you wish to use. Your device comes pre-configured with profiles for several commonly used applications. Each profile has preset firewall rules that ensure only data from the selected app or website is using the Iridium satellite Wi-Fi. Data usage shows you how much satellite data you've sent and received. Your total data usage would be a sum of both. You can reset the counter from the Settings menu on the Iridium Go exec device or in the app. Please note, this is only meant to inform you of your approximate data usage. It is not to be used for billing purposes. The Iridium Go exec device comes with several predefined profiles such as WhatsApp, Teams, Venmo, and others. You can also use other applications that don't have a predefined web/app profile in the Iridium Go exec app by selecting the All Open connection. Make sure to select Low Data Mode for iOS or Metered or Data Saver for Android on your smart device prior to use. In this profile, data usage might be high as all traffic is allowed. Also, close all other apps to avoid background data updates. You can also change your Connection Manager settings from your Iridium Go exec device without using the app. Now, you're ready to access the internet.